channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you cucumber salad with yogurt, garlic, and dried mint dressing. And now let's go over the ingredients to get started. The ingredients that you will need for this salad are 3 cucumbers, 3 garlics, half tablespoon of dried mint, 1 cup and a half of 2% yogurt, and some salt. And now let's chop it together. First thing we need to do is to cut the cucumber in half. And we need to take the seeds out, because if we keep the seeds in there, it will make it watery. Like after a couple hours or maybe even an hour, you will see your yogurt and all of that will be full of water. So definitely you need to take your seeds out. Unless there's not a lot of seeds, then that's okay, but I would recommend that you take your seeds out is better. Easy and simple. Just grab your spoon and just take it out. Please subscribe to my channel. Make sure your bell notification is on. Like this video and follow me on Instagram as well. My Instagram account is Ragatella. Now let's chop the cucumber. Chop it small. The next thing we need to do is to grab our yogurt. I have a cup and a half in here. We add the half tablespoon of dried mint. You can find dried mint in pretty much in any Middle Eastern market, or if you have a fresh mint at home, dry it yourself. That would be perfect as well. You need 3 pieces of garlic. We need to mince our garlic. Grab your fork or your spoon and start mixing. And don't worry if it's not mixed very well. Once we mix it with the cucumber, it'll mix better. It smells so good. The mint, the garlic. The next thing we need to do is to add some salt on our cucumbers. Just for taste. If you don't want salt, then you don't have to add any salt. I prefer adding salt because it gives it more flavor. Now we need to add our dressing. The next thing we need to do is to mix our yogurt, the garlic, and the dried mint with our cucumber. Alright guys, now let's give it a try. creamy, crunchy, the garlic flavor, the mint. It's the best combination. Really good. Perfect. I do highly recommend to serve this salad on the day that you grill, with your grilling. It will taste great with it. Let me know if you're going to make this salad. Leave your comment on the comment section below. I would love to read them. Really good. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel. Make sure your bell notification is on. Leave a comment below and like this video. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!